Every week, developers waste hours context switching between GitHub, AWS, monitoring tools, CI/CD pipelines, and dozens of other platforms, just to find basic information. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to fix this forever. Let me show you the problem first. Right now, when you're looking at a GitHub repository, you have no idea what AWS resources it uses. Where are the logs? Who's on call? How much does it cost? When was it last deployed? You have to hunt through multiple tools to find these answers. This happens dozens of times per day per developer. It's a massive productivity killer and a significant source of mistakes. ToolJump solves this by bringing all this information directly into the tools you already use. Here's a demo. Notice how everything appears right here. No tab switching. Imagine having this on day one of your new role. You can see active alerts, jump to logs, view infrastructure, find out who's on call, when it was last deployed, and many other useful insights. For this demo, I'll show you how to see your AWS infrastructure directly in GitHub. As we navigate to our demo repo, we can see the AWS infrastructure section on the ToolJump bar. And when opening it, we will see two lambdas which are related to this repository. Upon clicking them, we will be redirected straight to their resource page on AWS. Let's see the impact. Without ToolJump, 5 to 10 minutes per complex investigation. With ToolJump, 5 seconds. For a team of 50 developers, that's potentially 200 plus hours saved per month. That's 5 full-time weeks of productivity gained. And this is just one integration. You can connect Datadog, PagerDuty, Circle CI, GCP, Azure, Terraform, and any tool with an API. Here's how you can implement this in your company. Let's go to the Getting Started section in our docs and follow the steps. Let's install the ToolJump extension and pin it to the bar. We then go to the ToolJump repo, where we should see the demo bar. This proves the extension works and we're ready to move to the next step. To implement a real integration, we also need a ToolJump server, which we can very easily create with the npx create ToolJump command. Once the server is ready, we set its URL and credentials in the extension, and we can now see the sample integration in the demo repo. To view the AWS infrastructure directly in GitHub, we need to allow ToolJump to connect to AWS in a read-only manner and fetch all the infrastructure that matches that repo. To set up the credentials, we go to the IAM and make a new user with restricted permissions to only allow getting resources by tags and deny everything else. This follows the principle of least privilege. ToolJump can only read tags, nothing else. Then, create the access key and access secret for it and save it in your .env file like this. Now let's create the integration. Every integration has a name, a description, a match section that defines where it should run, a list of required secrets, the AWS ones. Then in the run function, we have the code that powers the whole logic. Let me break this down visually. 1. First, we match the context. This runs on any GitHub repository under the ToolJump organization. 2. We extract the repository name from the URL. 3. We query AWS for all resources tagged with that repository. 4. We prepare and return the results for the ToolJump bar. Let's now refresh our repo page and we'll see it in action. Let's click on one of the lambdas and we're instantly redirected to its AWS resource page. The best part? With under 80 lines of code, you unlock hours of daily time savings for your entire team, starting immediately. This was just a simple example, and the possibilities are infinite. Go to tooljump.dev/docs/demos to see many other integrations that can speed up your engineering org. ToolJump is completely free and open source. You can roll it out across your organization immediately. If you want expert guidance or enterprise-grade deployment, our professional services are available to implement it at scale. Don't forget to subscribe for more developer productivity content, and let me know in the comments what other tools you'd like to see connected.